Welcome back. We are now inside of Microsoft Outlook, and we can use Microsoft Copilot to help us to draft our emails. To do that, we're going to go to this Copilot element, and we're going to click on Draft with Copilot. And once you have the dialog box inside of your area, you will then want to write in how you want to draft the email. So what we have done is we have drafted what we want to have in the email. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click the Generate button, and we're going to allow Outlook to generate a draft. You can determine if you like it. You can also determine to keep what you have. You can delete it altogether, or you can regenerate it based on something that you want to change. So for example, you can write in here what you want to change. And once we have what we want to change, we're going to click the arrow, and then Microsoft Copilot will consider what it is that we have, and it will generate another draft. And once again, if you don't like that draft, but you like the content, you can click Regenerate based on that draft, and Microsoft Copilot will redo the draft. So you can use Microsoft Copilot inside of Microsoft Outlook to help you to draft appropriate emails. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.